Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video on my series 30 Days of Java. This series, we will be learning about the fundamental concepts of Java and also talk about some of the advanced topics. Now, this course is developed from a beginner's perspective, and you don't need any prerequisite knowledge of any programming language. In this video, we'll be discussing about the various benefits of learning to program and why you should choose Java as your starting language. We'll also discuss to whom does this course target to and how can you get the most out of this course. Finally, we'll look at the roadmap of topics that we'll be covering in the upcoming videos. First, let's discuss why you should learn programming in the first place. Why not some other skills? To be honest, the biggest reason of learning programming is money. Money is always the biggest motivator, and it will always stay that way. Programming jobs are one of the highest paying jobs in India or abroad, and it would stay that way in future too. The average salary of a programmer is most of the times higher than the people working in other professions. The second reason why people get into programming is that it's empowering in nature. Now, what I mean by that is that many of you might have an idea of creating an app that just might be the next Facebook, Instagram, or maybe WhatsApp. Now, learning to code provides you with tools and skills to achieve this. Creativity might be another reason to learn, as coding is a creative process at its core. The design, user experience, look and feel of website, application, or video game. All of it can be handled by coding. Now, have you ever wondered how does the internet works? How can you book tickets to a movie while sitting on a couch? Or how can you order a pizza with just a click of buttons? Then coding is your first stop to understanding technology. Unless you don't know how to code or read code, you'll never be able to fully grasp the true beauty of programming. The last reason for learning to code is problem solving. Coding allows you to break down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable parts. Most of the times, you might need to think outside the box to solve a problem and devise innovative solutions. Now that we know why you should learn to code, let's talk about why you should choose Java as your first language. The first reason to start with Java is that it's easy to learn. Java's syntax is designed to be clear, easy to read, which makes it accessible to beginners. It uses English-like keywords and has a straightforward structure, which is less cryptic than other languages. Another reason to start with Java is that it's open source. You can check out its code on official Oracle website or GitHub. You can create your own version of JDK or JRE which suits your need and use them too. Don't worry, we'll discuss about JDK and JRE in the future. Now, platform independent means that if you create a Java program in one computer, then it can be run on another computer, which might be using a totally different operating system or hardware without any modification or change to the original code. Java is also a fast and high performance programming language compared to other languages because of its efficient runtime environment, just-in-time compilation, garbage collection, and many others. Java is also a community-driven language. It was first developed by Sun Microsystems, but it has a strong and vibrant community surrounding it. The Java language and its ecosystem have evolved over the years through collaborative efforts, contribution, and feedback from Java community. The last but not the least reason is that it is a highly popular language. There are tons of tools, frameworks, packages present on the internet, which makes it very easy to develop anything with the help of Java. Also, if you ever get stuck on a bug or problem, it is highly possible that someone might have already faced that problem before, posted on sites like Stack Overflow. So it's easy to get help with Java. Also, the amount of jobs that are there in the industry for Java developers is way higher than other languages. Now we'll talk about who does this course target. In simple words, targets to everyone, except if you are already a god in Java, then you can probably skip it. If you're a beginner, then with this course, you'll get the fundamental understanding of Java concepts. If you already have some experience with Java, then you can still watch this course to fill some gaps in your knowledge, since devil is always in the details. Also, if you're looking to change jobs or preparing for interviews, then this course should provide you with answers to various interview questions and the reasons behind them. Now, how to get most out of this course? So there are two approaches to learning with an online course. One is that you watch the video, pause it, try to implement it, and then resume the video. The second approach is you watch the complete video in one go, and then you try to recreate the example explained in the video. If you get stuck somewhere, you can always go back to that timestamp and rewatch that part. Personally, I use and suggest people to go with the second approach because of two main reasons. First, it doesn't break your focus and concentration when you're learning about a new topic. And second, since you will get stuck a lot of the time in beginning, you might need to rewatch the video, which should help you to better remember the concepts and the syntax of the code. Now we get to the list of the topics that we will be covering in the upcoming days, so you can use this as a roadmap for the course. I'll also share a detailed list of topics that we'll be covering in future in the description of the video. At last, I know that coding looks intimidating and is also sometimes hard too, but it becomes easier with time and practice. You just have to believe in yourself and keep taking one step at a time. Soon you'll get there. This video is your first step.